This is the first night. I want to thank Youth Code, How Job, and Frontline Assembly, of course. Good to be around. You know, I've been thinking about everything happening in the cognitive dissonance in the world today. In the way that when you look over here, you should be looking over there, but we look over here. Sometimes we think that over there is a lot unnecessary, or necessary, or very unnecessary, or I don't know, sociopathic.
We don't know either!
Homo sapiens trying to make something that they're not supposed to make. I am conditioned to believe that I am not something that was put here to believe what they say. Harper is destroying your country. It's like Little America or something. I don't fucking get it. Anyway, I digress. Back to music.